Turn the ignition on. Rotate the steering wheel to expose these two screws and remove them. Insert your pry tool and gently separate the two halves of the steering wheel cover. Remove the bottom half of the steering wheel cover. Remove the connector by the ignition. Install the T-harness in line. Feed the T-harness wires through to the bottom. We will use this screw over here for our ground connection. However, you can use any metal screw that's connected to metal. Remove the OBD2 connector. Remove the connector going to the BCM. Insert the T-harness in line to the connector going to the BCM. Connect the T-harness connection to the factory OBD2 port. And connect the T-harness's OBD2 port back to the vehicle.
While holding down the programming button, insert the big white connector. The LEDs will alternate. Release the button when it's blue and red. Insert the remaining connectors. The red connector, if you are using it, it's not required to be inserted at this point. Press the programming button 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The LEDs will flash 9 times rapidly with a pause. Insert the key to the ignition and turn to the on position. When the blue LED flashes rapidly, it means it is programmed. You are done. The remote starter by pressing the lock button 3 times.
We will now show the TPMS interrupt connection. This is required if you want to be able to use your remote when the vehicle is remote started. Without this connection, the remote starter will work. However, once the car is started, you won't be able to push unlock in order to unlock the locks. You'll have to physically insert the key. The TPMS connector we need is located in the passenger kick panel. We will need to run a wire from the passenger kick panel to the remote starter module. We will install the remote starter module in between the passenger and driver seat. This will become clearer as you watch the rest of the video. We will need to remove this panel on the driver's side. It just pops out with your hand. On the other side, on the passenger side, we will do the same thing to remove that panel. Remove the passenger side sill plate. You can just use your hands, or a pry tool may help you. In the back you'll see a plastic screw that needs to be removed. You can just remove that by hand. You can then remove the passenger kick panel. We will now feed the wire through. You can pull it out from the other side. Back in the passenger side, we're going to lift up the carpet and run the wire underneath the carpet. Remove the blue connector. Insert the T-harness in line. The red connector of the TPMS T-harness you will connect to the remote starter module. Secure the remote starter module in between the passenger and driver's seat, in the area where you ran the wire through. Secure the module and wires with the included zip tie.